Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Moh Febrian Ruslan with ID number A12121073. So in this video, I will answer the questions of the 7th meeting practice. So number 1, here are example sentences and the pattern of entailments showing that soundless, silent, and noiseless are synonymous. The first sentence is the library was soundless. The second one is the library was silent. And the third is the library was noiseless. All the first, second, and the third sentences mean the same meaning. So if the library was soundless, then the library was silent. And the sentence library was noiseless must be true. Similarly, if the second sentence is true, then the first sentence and the third sentence must also be true. Next, if the third sentence is true, then the first and the second sentence must also be true. So, it shows the bidirectional entailment between each pair of sentence 1, 2, and 3. Whichever one is true necessarily means the other two are also true. And for number 2, yes, they are. Awake and asleep are complementaries because awake and asleep are opposites that cover the whole possibility of being conscious or unconscious. The pattern shows they cannot both be true at the same time. However, states like half awake do represent a middle ground between fully awake and fully asleep, which complementaries lack. And number 3, the word quiet has two contrary meanings with adjectives. With some like clever, it makes the meaning less extreme, or quiet clever, or moderately clever. With others like impossible, it intensifies the meaning fully, quite impossible, or completely impossible. And for number 5, some adjectives make the question how adjective is was blank question biased or slanted to the negative or positive end. For example, how old is he? Expect an answer describing advanced age. Other adjectives like how young is he are unbiased question. And for number 6, for intersective cases like royal visitor, the adjective and noun meanings straightforwardly combine. For non-intersective cases like wise fool, the adjective and noun meanings combine in a more complex, contradictory way. I think that's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.